I'm like, girl, get the green palette. Welcome back to Watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup. You guys already know what it is. So I did a video a few days ago, guys, about close-up swatches on this particular collection. Go check that video out, by the way, guys. And you guys already know what today is then. This is, by the title below, you can see, this is going to be a palette battle between a GLAMLITE palette. This is from the Happy Hour collection. I have the Dirty Martini, y'all, and I got the Chocolate Martini. We are going to be having a palette battle with these today, and I can't wait to get all the way into them. But before I do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So y'all, let's jump into Happy Hour. Alright, y'all. You guys don't know, GLAMLITE did come out with a Happy Hour collection. She did come out with 4 whole palettes. She came out with a highlighter. She also came out with a lip set. I did grab at least 2 of them. I will try the other ones in the future, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see the other ones. Let me know. Guys, this packaging of this new collection is very, very cool. I think GLAMLITE with their packaging, they are always supreme. In my opinion, it's always fun to get their drinks and different kinds of food palettes. It's really, really fun. So if you guys can see, she came out with food palettes and the packaging is shaped as the food. Well, she came out with drink palettes. So you guys already know this is shaped like a whole alcoholic bottle. I don't drink, but we all seen these. We all know what this is. Happy Hour time, we know. So the Dirty Martini one, guys, this one, I love this packaging, y'all. I was like, okay, GLAMLITE, y'all did that. I like the front. This looks like a real label that we've all seen in a bar before on top of a little alcoholic bottle. And it says Dirty Martini. It does have a premium quality olive martini palette. And it says on there, like usually they say premium, blah, 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 blah. You know, those brands, it's really, really cute that they put that on there. Like it's for real, for real. It's so cute. So when you open it, the palette's right inside. You just pop her right on out. So on the palette it says Dirty Martini, and it does have a martini right there. And it has that cute little label, little sticker there, like certified. It's really, really cute. It says genuine quality guarantee. And then guys, in the back, it has nutrients facts. I like when she does this. It says 0 calories, 0 trans fat, amount per serving, everything's 0, 0, 0. I love it. And then when you open it up, guys, we got a mirror in this palette. I was like, oh, cute. On the top right corner of the mirror, it does have a martini kind of shaker, like pouring in the drink. And then the bottom left, they do have the martini right there. And then guys, each of these palettes do give you 15 shades. And these are those gorgeous shades in the Dirty Martini palette. So you have a lot of shimmers, a lot of mattes. Very, very nice. I love it. I'm glad this is like a medium size kind of palette. Last but not least, it is the Chocolate Martini. Y'all, this one, I don't know, I forgot which one it's called. It's like, I don't say it's Hawaiian something. It's something brown, red, and gold. And I've seen it before in bars and it's like, smells like chocolate. Oh, this reminds me so much of it. It says the same thing, premium quality chocolate martini palette. It does have the sticker of slap dab right in the middle of this dark, nice, rich chocolate brown bottle. And then of course it has the chocolate martini sticker down there. Open her up. There's the martini palette inside. It has that chocolate martini palette right there, smack dab in the center, of course. It does say again, dark chocolate premium, very nice. On the back, nutrients facts, again, everything's 0 calories, honey. You don't gain up with this palette. This one does have a mirror as well, but the only difference is, guys, that they don't have chocolate, any kind of like a shaker pouring out the drink, but they do have chocolate bars down there, little pieces. On the opposite right side though, they have chocolate bar kind of pieces like shavings. It's really cool. And then we have all of the 15 shades. These shades are very pretty as well. A lot of mattes and shimmers again. I believe these retail between, I want to say these retail between 15 to like 30 bucks. I know it's a bigger range, but these are quite cute. So I want to get right on into this battle, y'all. I really, really want to see which one is the best because I'm actually curious because I know GLAMLITE's quality is really, really good with their eyeshadow. So I did 2 whole different looks for you guys. If you guys want to get any one of these looks and you want to see which one is the winner out of the 2, just stay tuned. right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed both the tutorials and as well the battles. So let's jump back into this and see which one is the winner. This is the Chocolate Martini palette. This is the eye I got with it, guys. I think it's very, very cute. I know I have her chocolate donut palette, y'all, and I feel like this looks a little bit similar to it, but I know it's not. It does have a little more warmer browns, a little more warmer brick reds. The shadows, I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shadows and 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes. So to me, the mattes versus the shimmers, in my opinion, the mattes are very pretty. I do admit this though, GLAMLITE has very pigmented shadows. We already know that here on this channel. All of the mattes actually blended out very pretty. They didn't blend into each other like, oh, that's just the brown. Like it just transferred to that. Because I feel like this eye, it does show the differentiation of all the browns and the warmer reds and brick oranges. I feel like you can tell the difference, the different layers. And I love that a lot. This eye was very, very pretty. I feel like we all can make this kind of eye though. It's a very simple, like, oh, it's a chocolatey eye. But these gold shimmers, even this dark one down here, y'all, I mean, this is not even gold, but like that chocolatey, that gold up here, these two and that white gold one, beautiful. I love them. Those were my favorite in the whole entire palette. Those had a differentiation, but they still were close, but not too much. But you can still see the difference. It's just really nice. I was like, okay, you guys did well with those golds. They knew how to make sure this one is the bright white gold. This one is the bright yellow gold. And this one's a nice, cool chocolate gold. That was nice. I was like, that's a very nice touch. Then I end up using chocolate liqueur. I use that one at the bottom of my lash line. And I really do like it. I feel like it stayed put. Usually a lot of the shadows I put, my waterline, y'all already know, is very sensitive. You can breathe on it and I'm starting to cry. You know, it's just waterworks, you know? But this one, it just stayed put. It's just very nice. I said, ooh, that's a pretty chocolatey shimmer shadow. And I dragged it across half my eye. It was just, it's so good. So I did love all the shimmers out. Well, I guess overall, y'all, I think the shimmers out this palette is great. The mattes perform very, very well too. Again, the differentiation of the colors, like the different shade level up or deeper, they did do very well with this palette. I feel like all the golds in here though are the kicker. They're very smooth and buttery and just so soft. I'm telling y'all, this palette is a really good neutral chocolatey brown one that literally would give you a good look any way you turn on this palette. So I like this one a lot. A lot. The shimmers I like better though. Shimmers really, really hit. It is the Dirty Martini palette. This, guys, y'all, I love this palette, y'all. I love it so much. It's so good. The greens are gorgeous. My favorite color, hands down, is green. All of that color right there. Beautiful, y'all. It is so freaking pretty. Now, which is funny, to me, the Dirty Martini palette transferred its shimmers and said the shimmer's okay, but then the mattes are bomb in this one. But in the chocolate one, the mattes are okay, but the shimmers are bombing that one. So I'm like, interesting. I like to combine the two, but this palette overall, y'all, the mattes performed beautifully. I love that green color in the back. I was just pounding on. I was like, I just want to see it more. Build it. It's so, so pretty. And the greens that I did use have the differentiation to it. Again, the garnish and the dry Vermont, those all did have a difference. Really, really dark olive green one is very pretty. I would like to combine it with the green olive just to see how it turns out, how it looks. I did use Mix It Up, is that blue, deep blue green, very pretty. The shimmers, I used just a splash, the orange one on my waterline. It is very cute. It does add that cute little pop, but I feel like I've seen that color before. Now, one thing I do remember with GLAMLITE, they love their greens. She loves her greens. She loves greens. I wonder if that's her favorite color. I feel like she keep making me want greens. Like, it's like, how many green palettes do I need? But then it's like, you want it though. And I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be good. Overly, the shimmers in this palette, y'all, were just okay for me. I wasn't like, oh my God, but the mattes were like, chef's kiss. Which one wins? Gotta add that plus that, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, you know, or you gotta add that all up, divide that, subtract that, you gotta fraction it out. Then you gotta, you know, divide it, you know. Out of pigmentation, out of creating any type of look with it, and also vibrant color, my winner is Dirty Martini. I love this palette. This layout was so freaking beautiful. I think this one too has, these mats were so good, and I have greens enough, like I said, but I feel like this variation was a very beautiful, colorful eye, even though right now it's not the season for it, but it still looks really good. I really like this eye that it gave me, and I feel like with the greens and blues, especially with blues, it can really get crazy on me, kind of like black eyeshadow, but this actually stayed put pretty well. It's very pretty, and I'm like, finally. And also, I feel like I've been trying palettes, y'all, that was just not as pigmented as GLAMLITE. Oh, and guys, if you want to know too what lash I did use on the eye, it is GLAMLITE. It's one of her taco lashes. It is the Carne Asada one. So these are the ones I got on, if you're accident wondering. So guys, overall with the palette battle, I love both. I love GLAMLITE's, all her palettes really. It's the same thing. Me, GLAMLITE and Juvia's Place, I love every single palette they come out with. That's just how it is. Either one to me works just fine. I still think, will you like this? Are these affordable to me? Yes, they are affordable. I wish you had many versions of them. I think that'd be very cute to have. Maybe it's 15, maybe have like 7 or 8 pan one. That'd be very cute to have that. So guys, I really like this collection. I want her to come out with even more different drinks and stuff, like a pina colada one. That'd be cute. Like little summer's drinks. That'd be very cute. Like if you're gonna grab anything from this collection, I say at least grab a palette. I mean, I feel like if you want to grab all of them, if you've never tried GLAMLITE before, I would say give the whole collection a try, because you're probably like, ooh, I still want to try that pinky one. I really wish I would have got that one too. But now we're on to fall. That's why I kind of grabbed those collections. I was like, I want a little fall, you know. As overall, this collection is very cute. I can't wait to try the other two. Let me know in the comments below, again, if you guys want me to do that. And speaking of that, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And guys, as well, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.